Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading in India? If so, choosing the right stockbroker is truly one of the most important first steps you'll take. A good broker, you see, can make all the difference, making your trading journey much smoother and potentially more profitable. This video will guide you through selecting the best broker for your needs, ensuring you start on the right foot. When choosing a broker, a few critical points truly need your attention. Firstly, always ensure they are fully SEBI-regulated. This is paramount for your investment security. Secondly, you must compare their brokerage fees and any hidden charges, as these directly impact your net profits. Thirdly, take a good look at their trading platform. It should be user-friendly, fast, and equipped with all the essential features you need for a smooth trading experience. Lastly, do check their customer support for responsiveness. In India, you'll find two main types of stockbrokers: discount brokers and full-service brokers. Discount brokers, like Zerodha or Upstocks, offer significantly lower brokerage fees. They are ideal for active traders who prefer to conduct their own research and analysis. Conversely, full-service brokers, such as ICICI Direct or HDFC Securities, provide a much wider range of services, including research reports and investment advice. However, these services typically come at a higher cost. Your choice should align with your trading style and needs. Among India's top choices, Zerodha leads as a discount broker. It's popular for low brokerage fees and its advanced kite trading platform. Upstocks is another excellent option, known for its user-friendly interface and strong mobile trading app, appealing to many. Then there's Angel One, which offers a good balance of competitive discount brokerage and some advisory services. Remember, your best choice truly depends on your individual preferences and specific trading goals. Before you begin your trading journey, here are some final helpful tips. Always start with a small, manageable investment. It's important to learn the ropes without taking on too much initial risk. Secondly, always conduct your own thorough research. Never rely solely on tips. Informed decisions are truly key. Most importantly, continuously educate yourself about market trends, different strategies, and especially risk management. With the right approach, you can definitely thrive. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.